My video guide is about removing the online scam that currently attacks France, Belgium, and possibly some other French-speaking countries. This particular scam comes from the random website, and this scam displays pretty scary messages that try to make people call certain telephone number. In this case, it is 0033-157-978-104. The pop-up indicates that your Windows has been blocked for security reasons due to suspicious activities. Well, at least this is the way I translate it from French. And the content of these pop-ups is all in French language. The pop-up also claims to be related to Windows Defender, and it also is mentioned that it is somehow related to Windows technical support. In reality, this is a fake technical support alert, and this telephone number is not related to Windows. This is the online scam that simply tries to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So you should not call this telephone number. If you call it by mistake, you'll hear some online criminals who will try to scare you even more with a lot of faulty messages. They may try to make you connected to their computers remotely, or they may try to connect to your computer remotely in order to infect your system with potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful, do not interact with these pop-ups, and do not call these fake Windows support numbers. They are not real, and these pop-ups are also not real. They are not related to Windows Defender, they are not related to Microsoft. In fact, there could be some adware in your computer or in your browser that might display these pop-ups. So the only correct conclusion is to close these pages and to disregard whatever they tell you. I would recommend you to, first of all, carefully research your system with the reliable security software, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.